What should I take for my nervous system? I get asked this a lot because mold causes a lot of anxiousness, and people know I'm a herbalist, I'm into nutrition, and so I get this question like, what is your favorite thing, meaning supplement, to take for your nervous system? And the first thing you should take is a breath. It's not something you swallow. We can go 30 days without food, 3 days without water, 3 minutes without air. What do you think is the most important thing? Air. Take a breath. That's going to be really important. Then take a nice big glass of water, going with the 33-3 principle. And then maybe take a walk. Get some sunshine. Take a gaze at the sky. Connect with nature. How about take a hug? Connection. How about take a break from this thing that you're holding right now? So what do you take for your nervous system? Nature cure first, and then we can talk about supplements. We're in crazy times right now. So I want to support you in your nervous system and the calm, which is why I'm helping give you light codes right now, having the sun shine on you and show you its wisdom and its brilliance and its calming effect. So what do you take? Take a breath, and then take a break from this device right here. All right, conquer mold, take back your health and your nervous system.